Welcome to the channel, and let us look at 15 things you didn't know about Elon Musk. Elon Musk, the tech billionaire and CEO of companies like Tesla and SpaceX, has become a household name synonymous with innovation, space travel, electric vehicles, and of course, memes. But beyond the headlines, Elon Musk's life is filled with fascinating facts and intriguing stories that many people don't know. Here are 15 things you probably didn't know about Elon Musk. 1. He taught himself how to code at age 10. Elon Musk's relationship with technology started at a very young age. He became fascinated with computers as a child and taught himself how to code when he was just 10 years old. In fact, at age 12, he sold his first video game, a space-themed game called Blaster, for $500. While the game might be rudimentary by today's standards, it was a sign of things to come for the young tech enthusiast. This early mastery of coding laid the foundation for Musk's later success in software and technology. It's clear that his passion for learning and solving problems began early on and has driven his career forward. 2. He dropped out of a PhD program. After just 2 days. In 1995, Elon Musk was accepted into a PhD program in applied physics and materials science at Stanford University. However, he left after just 2 days to pursue his entrepreneurial ambitions in the internet boom. Musk realized that the internet had the potential to change the world, and he didn't want to miss the opportunity to be part of it. He went on to co-found Zip2, a software company that provided business directories and maps for newspapers. This decision ultimately marked the beginning of Musk's remarkable journey in the tech industry. 3. He almost sold Tesla to Google. Believe it or not, Tesla, the electric car giant, almost didn't survive its early years. In 2013, Tesla was on the brink of bankruptcy, and Musk approached Google co-founder Larry Page to negotiate a sale. The idea was that Google would acquire Tesla for $6 billion, and Musk would stay on to oversee the development of electric vehicles. Fortunately, Tesla turned things around before the deal could be finalized, and the company went on to become a $900 billion behemoth. Musk's perseverance in the face of failure has been a recurring theme in his career, and Tesla's survival is a testament to his ability to lead through tough times. 4. He was bullied as a child. Growing up in South Africa, Musk was often bullied in school. He was once thrown down a flight of stairs and beaten so badly that he was hospitalized for a week. Musk has spoken openly about how difficult his childhood was. But these experiences didn't break him. In fact, they likely fueled his determination to succeed later in life. His resilience is one of the many traits that have helped him navigate the ups and downs of his career. 5. He once lived on a $1 a day budget. When Musk moved to Canada to attend Queen's University, he had very little money. To save on living expenses, he lived on $1 a day, mostly eating hot dogs and oranges. This experience of living frugally gave Musk an understanding of how to stretch resources to achieve his goals. It's a surprising fact for someone who would later go on to become one of the richest people in the world. 6. He started a solar power company. In addition to Tesla and SpaceX, Musk is the co-founder of SolarCity, a company focused on renewable energy solutions. SolarCity, which was founded in 2006, aimed to make solar power more affordable and accessible for homeowners and businesses. In 2016, Tesla acquired SolarCity for $2.6 billion, making it part of Musk's broader vision to create a sustainable future. Although SolarCity has faced its share of challenges, Musk's commitment to clean energy has been unwavering. 7. He was an early investor in PayPal. Many people associate Musk with Tesla and SpaceX, but his first major financial success came from PayPal. In 1999, Musk co-founded X.com, an online payment company. A year later, X.com merged with Confinity, which had a money transfer service called PayPal. Eventually, PayPal became the dominant brand, and Musk served as its largest shareholder before it was sold to eBay in 2002 for $1.5 billion. Musk's share of the sale netted him $165 million, which he used to fund SpaceX and Tesla. 8. He has big plans for Mars. Elon Musk's fascination with space has driven many of his ambitions at SpaceX, but his ultimate goal is to make humanity a multi-planetary species by colonizing Mars. Musk envisions a self-sustaining city on Mars, with a population of about 1 million people by 2050. While the timeline may seem ambitious, Musk's track record suggests that even if it takes longer than expected, he's committed to making it happen. SpaceX is already working on its Starship rocket, which is designed to carry humans to Mars and beyond. Musk believes that colonizing Mars is essential to ensure humanity's survival in the event of a catastrophe on Earth. 9. He has 5 sons. Elon Musk is a father to 5 sons, all born to his first wife, Justine Musk. The couple had twins, Griffin and Xavier, in 2004, followed by triplets, Damien, Saxon, and Kai. In 2006, Musk has often spoken about how he tries to balance his busy work schedule with fatherhood, and he reportedly shares custody of his children with Justine. In 2020, Musk and his partner, the musician Grimes, welcomed a son named X-E-Oxy, adding another member to his growing family. 10. He's a big fan of sci-fi. Musk is known for his love of science fiction, and many of his ideas are inspired by the genre. He has cited books like The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams and the Foundation series by Isaac Asimov as major influences on his thinking. His vision for space exploration and the future of humanity is often compared to the speculative ideas found in science fiction. Musk's ambition to colonize Mars, for example, mirrors many sci-fi narratives about the survival of humanity. 11. He's inspired by Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla. Elon Musk has said that he draws inspiration from both Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla, 2 of the greatest inventors in history. While Tesla was known for his visionary ideas and eccentric personality, Edison was a practical businessman who turned ideas into products. Musk sees himself as a blend of both, combining the innovation of Tesla with the business acumen of Edison. Interestingly, Tesla Motors is named after Nikola Tesla, despite Musk admitting that he aligns more with Edison's approach. 12. He owns a James Bond submarine car. In 2013, Musk bought the Lotus Esprit submarine car from the James Bond movie, The Spy Who Loved Me, for nearly $1 million. He later revealed that he plans to convert the car into a working submarine using Tesla's electric vehicle technology. Musk's love for cool gadgets and futuristic tech is well known. And this purchase is a testament to his playful side. Whether or not the car ever becomes fully functional, it's a unique piece of pop culture history to own. 13. He has no patents for SpaceX. In a surprising move, Musk decided not to patent any of SpaceX's rocket designs or technology. His reasoning? He didn't want China or other countries to steal SpaceX's intellectual property and use it to compete with the company. By keeping the designs proprietary and secret, Musk believes SpaceX can maintain its edge in the competitive space industry. This approach is unusual in the tech world, where patents are often seen as essential for protecting innovation. 14. He's a workaholic. Elon Musk is famous for his extreme work ethic, often putting in 80 to 100 hours a week across his various companies. Musk has said that he used to work 120 hours a week during particularly intense periods at Tesla and SpaceX. He believes that working harder than the competition is key to success, and he often sleeps in his office or factory to maximize productivity. While some may question the sustainability of such a schedule, Musk's results speak for themselves. 15. He's not afraid to fail. One of the things that sets Elon Musk apart is his willingness to fail. He has experienced numerous setbacks throughout his career, from early failures with SpaceX rockets to the near collapse of Tesla. However, Musk sees failure as an opportunity to learn and improve. He has famously said, "Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough." This mindset has allowed Musk to take risks that others might shy away from, and it's a big part of why he's been able to achieve so much in industries that are notoriously difficult to break into. In conclusion, Elon Musk is one of the most fascinating and polarizing figures in modern times. His journey from a self-taught coder in South Africa to the head of groundbreaking companies like Tesla and SpaceX is nothing short of extraordinary. These 15 lesser-known facts about Musk paint a picture of a man who is not only driven by innovation, but also unafraid of failure, willing to take risks, and deeply committed to shaping the future of humanity. Whether you admire him for his bold vision or question his unconventional methods, there's no denying that Elon Musk is a unique force in the world of technology, business, and space exploration. And as he continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, it's likely we'll keep learning more surprising things about him.